Hi, this is Chris Whitman with MarineMax Kent Island. Today we're going to go over our 2026 42 Cantius, and I wanted to do things a little differently. So we spend a lot of time on these boats, and we could point out features and benefits, but I want to tell you what brings me back to this boat again and again. Notice the stairs on the swim platform. If you've never had stairs that drop down along with your swim platform, it's a game changer. And if you have had them, you'll never be without it again. So what makes the 42 Cantius unique in the Cantius family is that it's the only one of our models that actually really draws together the salon and the cockpit areas. A lot of our people coming to the Cantius family are coming from day boats, and they're used to going out entertaining friends and family, but now they want to be able to have more of a liveaboard. This model is unique in how well it draws together the salon indoors and the cockpit area outdoors. It just makes one big flowing area. The 42 Cantius is what I like to refer to as our intro to diesel. Going up to a liveaboard that's good for 2 or 4 people that want to extend their range and be able to go out and explore, but you're getting into a larger boat which can be a little intimidating. You've got all the amenities that you're looking for, but you also have the technology to keep you safe as well as help you to get used to bigger boating. So the really cool thing about the 42 Cantius is her staterooms. So the forward berth is technically the owner's suite. You'll notice that it has its own private dry head. Okay? So this is technically the owner's suite. Our day head is the one that's most accessible, but it also has a dry head, which is very rare at a 42-foot boat. Step into the VIP, you'll notice why I said technically. There's a little bit of a head clearance issue when you first come in. However, look, this is a full beam stateroom with opening windows on both sides. A lot of our customers actually use this as their owner's suite, just simply for the size and the air. Now, the best way to get to know this 2026 42 Cantius by Cruisers Yachts is to come see her in person at MarineMax Kent Island. Stop on by, we'd love to show her.